Yo, welcome back to Gem Mint Collectibles. I'm your boy Gem Mint, aka Infinity Gems, aka the Soul Gem. I'm here with another statue unboxing and review. This time we have my most anticipated statue, my first Prime 1 statue, Spider-Man 2099, the exclusive version, number 495 out of 750, one of my favorite characters. Enough talking, let's open up this box, and it's a big one. So, I've watched enough unboxings to know what to expect. I know that you got to be careful with the cape because it's a very delicate resin, and if it doesn't fit in perfectly right away, Prime 1 suggests that you heat it up with a hair dryer, and that sounds like a real pain in the ass, but it is what it is. A lot of styrofoam. Haven't done a video in like 2 days either, man. I'm feeling like slacking here. I was gonna do something last night and I kind of got tired, but I knew this was coming in today, so. All right, y'all, let's do this without messing up Thanos over here. So I know the box says Sideshow. Sideshow distributes Prime 1 pieces as well as their own. All right. Put this stuff back as I go along. All right. Anything else over here? Looking good. So, Spider-Man 2099 is one of my favorite characters, Miguel O'Hara, from the year 2099. I'm hearing noises, man. I don't know what's going on. So there's the box. Got the Prime 1 piece. You've got assembly instructions, which we're going to need because I hear this base is kind of a pain in the ass to put together. So let's keep that tucked. So the box, well, let's put this down. You know what? Some more light going over here. So the art box itself, it's got the Spider-Man 2099 logo on one side, clean white sides with the webbing, and you got, I already showed that part. All right, y'all. Oh, here we go. So let's do this thing. Looks like this whole top piece comes off. Wow, a lot of shit. Let's look at the instructions. I guess we gotta get the base down. So this isn't the base. This looks like the top of the base. Is this shit dark, this video? Alright. Let's put that down. Battery thing. Got these rings. The base has a bunch of rings. Get this ring out. Here's that cape that I was talking about. They can snap very easily. Let's put this somewhere safe. Thanos will hold it down. What do we got here? Oh, here goes the smoke. More smoke over here, maybe. Good luck trying to put this shit back away. I'm running out of space to put all this stuff. This looks like it's the big part of the tower. This is gonna be a tall statue too, man. I don't even know where to put this. Alright, so I think that's everything on the top here. Put this sucker down. That ain't gonna work. Playing a dangerous game here, y'all. All right. All right. So here we go. Here we go. Time to get down to business here. All right, so first things first. Grab what looks like base. Alright, so here's the base. Spider-Man 2099, $4.95 out of $7.50. The exclusive, y'all. So, this was the first piece I think I ever pre-ordered from Sideshow. And I didn't even know about exclusives or none of that stuff. So for the longest time, oh cool, look at this. For the longest time, I just had the regular version pre-ordered, and I was cool with that. But then I found out about wait lists. And I was like, oh, I can get on the wait list and maybe get the exclusive version. So I jumped on the wait list maybe like last month, late in the game. And right away it tells you what your chances are of converting. And it said that the chances were great. I've heard other people have, converted from the wait list. So, yeah, man, the wait list converted. I got the exclusive. I didn't really ever plan on displaying the exclusive, but I figured it couldn't hurt to have it. Did I do this right? Okay, so that's that. Okay, now this piece goes right here. Beautiful. Then you gotta mess with the battery part. Do I have, what is this? 2 AA's or? Hey, Jay. Oh, you gotta plug this stuff in too, okay. JJ. Hey, bring me 2 AA batteries. Bring me 2 AA batteries. In our battery drawer. Come on, man. You know where they're at. So this base lights up, and it lights up very similar to my my lights in my shelf. So I'm kind of interested to see how that looks. One sec. You got me or not? Nobody can really help me while I'm in the middle of doing the video? I swear. All right. Damn. And it fades. Cool. This is how it goes down, y'all. All right. Now this piece, let's see. How does this go? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You gotta do this part first. Motherfucker. Is that how it goes? I guess so. So this button at the top is the on-off switch. Very cool. Is everything in here right now? Alright, then you're supposed to attach the cape to Spider-Man. Alright. Dang. So this is supposed to just fit in his bag. Well, that's as good as it's gonna get. I don't know how confident I am in this. Oh yeah, and this cape is not in right for sure, yo. This cape is like not in correctly. Yeah, they fucked up on this cape, whatever. Damn, man. I gotta tell you, I don't know. That doesn't really look like it's in correctly. Oh, shit. Damn, this shit just broke. Fuck, man. The damn... motherfucking key broke. Boy, I'll tell you what. Yo, now I'm mad as fuck for real. Let's see if I can... Oh, forgot about this cape. Man, that's motherfucking annoying as hell, yo. I wonder if I could fish this thing out. I'm up here sweating like a bitch. Nah, I ain't gonna be able to fish it out either. Alright. Damn, yo, how am I gonna get this shit out? I need a magnet. Alright, let's try to put this thing together, yo. Here goes the regular head. Alright, so this thing is supposed to have the web go on it. They give you this long ass web. I don't know why they didn't make the cape out of this same material. I ain't gonna lie, I'm mad as fuck, yo. I can't believe that shit broke. I mean, I know Sideshow will probably replace it, but it's like, damn, then you gotta wait even more. They're probably gonna want me to break this shit. Yo, nobody got time for this fucking thing, yo. Alright, where does this thing go, man? You know, it's a real shame because I was really looking forward to this piece a lot, man. That's a real shame. How does this shit even go in, yo? This shit doesn't even look like it goes in right here. Oh, okay, this probably goes right here. So that piece goes there. This one goes here. The smoke pieces. I don't even know where I put the other smoke pieces. Oh, that shit got me mad. I'm not even into this video no more, man. I gotta be honest with you. I don't think I've ever seen the, that part break. Alright, so damn, man. Big Mad. They call me Big Mad. Alright, let's take a little seat here, see what's going on. Try to gain my composure. I feel like this video is looking dark as shit anyway. Alright. The thing is, he wasn't going down enough on here, man. It didn't look like it was going all the way down. Can y'all see this shit? Alright, so, damn. Can't even fucking get into it. Spider-Man 2099. This base is huge, man. It's a lot of different pieces. I don't know why they even did all that intricate pieces like that, man, because it's kind of difficult to set up. So let's do a review on it, right? So, first Prime One Piece. The Spider-Man itself is really well done. Like, the texture, the colors, the attention to detail. This shit just don't sit flush, man. The pose is really good. I feel like we can't get a good good lighting on this thing, man. Hold up. There goes a little better. Yeah, so you're supposed to have this web that wraps around like the whole thing. I guess it's supposed to hook up right here. You're supposed to do it before you put this like spire on. But even this doesn't really seem to fit that good. It's like a gooey kind of... Oh, that's weird. So I guess that's how that goes. And then you're supposed to... It says something about a magnet. Something's a magnet right here, I think. So I think you're supposed to like... I don't even know. Maybe this way? Yeah, there you go. I don't even know, man. Let me see. I feel like it's supposed to connect to that magnet right there. Something like that. Yeah, I guess something like that. I guess the web thing is pretty cool, man. I mean, I ain't mad at it. The light up function is cool. I mean, I know a lot of people don't like batteries because you can't really have batteries sitting in statues for a long time. It could potentially leak battery acid. I had that happen to me one time back in the day as a kid, as an old camera. I opened up the battery pack and this battery had all this acid dripped on the carpet, stained the shit out of it. Parents were madder than a bitch. I don't like pieces that you can't just pick up the whole base and move it. I feel like this piece, with these clear smoke things, it will be very difficult, almost impossible to do that. So the base is like kind of big for nothing. I gotta be real. I guess they were going for like a futuristic rooftop kind of thing with like these spinning orbs. But it kind of pisses me off that he's not sitting flush on the base. He's the best part of this piece. I think the Spider-Man 2099 is very well done. The color is very like a royal blue, shiny royal blue. And the red emblem that goes to his arms look really good. The claws look good. The spiky things on his forearm look really good. It's just really pissing me off that it's just not sitting flush into this base here. And then with this cape thing. Now, you know, I've seen Alex on Rad Titan. He snapped this shit in half trying to bend it. You know, I don't know even know if I'm going to try to do that whole hair dryer thing because I'm probably going to have to send the body back for a replacement. And then you got to wait all over again. It kind of ruins the excitement of this shit, to be honest, man. Kind of pissed off, for real. This looks damaged. I don't know if it's supposed to be, is that supposed to be damaged looking like that? So it's a really tall piece too, man. Let's see what the exclusive head looks like. The exclusive head is really well done. The teeth look really well. You can tell the difference between the paint on the inside and how they detailed it on the face. Yeah, that looks really good, actually. I didn't think I was ever going to use the X on this, but it looks really good, man. I think that this piece would look good sitting on top of my Calyx while I have the same kind of lights going on in the background. I'll probably take a picture of that for my Facebook and my IG and all that. So, unfortunately, this kind of ended on a disappointing note. I thought I was going to be crazy excited for this piece, and yeah, I like it, but I just am very disappointed with it breaking, obviously. Hey, maybe I'll get to do a cool video of me smashing this because Sideshow will make you do that if you send something back. Yeah, I don't know what's up with this base, man. It's a real space eater. But Spider-Man 2099 is my favorite character. This is definitely the best Spider-Man 2099 statue on the market. I'm probably going to play around with this thing for a little bit, see if I can get that magnet out. Got to take some pictures, but I'll probably have to send it back. Anyway, I'm about to wrap it up. Worst fucking unboxing and review ever, right? Anyway, hey, it's every time I wear this shirt, man. When I wore this shirt, the damn Venom Unhinged was the same shit. Anyway, Spider-Man 2099, Prime 1, your boy Jem. Stay minty. Peace.